A lot of you guys know this car, the yellow thing. So I think this is 2-liter 8 valve, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yeah, so it's 2-liter 8 valve, Latin crank, high cold pistons. Yeah, nothing done to the heat pipe.
Yo my dudes, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and you are into automotive content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. And then if you haven't already checked out our giveaway, please check it out. I'll be announcing the giveaway later this month. And then I know my uploads have been a little bit slow. It has been my birthday over this past weekend, so please forgive me guys for uploading a little bit slower than usual. However, what we do have planned for today is to link up with another YouTuber. You guys already know him, Shane from Late Customs. We are going to drop a few parts off by him, but instead of using the Yaris, I thought I might as well take the EG and make the video a little bit more special than normal, and hopefully we don't run into any trouble. So yeah, I'm just going to load up all the parts in the EG and then we can get going. Okay guys, so we're all loaded up. I'm just going to put the battery terminal back onto the EG. We can start it up and then we can get going. Guys, so like I mentioned, I'm going to pop in by Shane, just drop off a few parts by him. As you guys already know, Shane is very well known on YouTube. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick walk around on the cars that he actually has over here. So starting off with, this is actually a B20. This is actually his daily. He's actually busy with the video right now. As you guys can see, it's set up, just doing some cleaning up. One thing that he actually mentioned is that he really hates a dirty car, so he's actually going to the full extent of removing everything and cleaning up everything. That's something I actually admire about him a lot. He goes to a very good, how can I say, detail of actually removing every single thing just to clean it up. Really cool. And then a lot of you guys know this car, the yellow thing. So I think this is 2-liter 8 valve, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yeah, so it's 2-liter 8 valve, Latin crank, high cold pistons. Yeah, nothing done to the heat pipe. Yeah.
What else is still needed for it to be running?
So at the moment, the engine is technically up and running. I got the car started up. I'm only having a problem with the cooling system at the moment. The lower piping is a bit hotter than the top piping, so I think it's a water pump. But to get the car like on the road is literally just getting the battery relocation done, getting the extension piping connected, and then set everything together like the body panels, and then we can go further.
Awesome. And then tell me, is this on its lowest, the front of here? No?
Yes, that is on its lowest. It doesn't look very low with
without the fenders.
Without the fenders, but you can see the rear. Yeah.
The rear looks insane actually.
Nah, thanks, man.
Yeah, so this is the tail piece is almost on the floor.
This is another tail piece, it's a bit crooked, so
yeah.
I need to change the tail piece.
So the cool thing that I actually noticed is that you're still going for the whole retro two-tone look. But I remembered in your video you said this is a S3 Audi color, right?
Yes, this is the RS3 yellow.
RS3 yellow.
I'm not entirely sure about the color code, but that's what the spray painted told me. They actually surprised me with the color.
Yeah, cool.
So,
remember Tahama still did it, no?
it was the Tahama that did it.
Yeah, I still actually did a video of while they were still welding the inside, etc. And then you mentioned that you're gonna have a setup running here at the back, obviously with the air suspension and the. Where's the tank though? Is the tank here in?
The tank is very hidden. Check. Because just shoot everything's very dirty, but here's the tank.
Whoa, I didn't even see.
Yeah, that was the goal I'm going for.
Okay,
so
cool, clean look.
very You can open it up.
Like a hidden type of look, yeah.
Yeah, like.
But I noticed with a lot of your builds look like it, like it's cleaned up very nicely, always wire tuck, etc. Yeah. So these are a few of his cars, and then also the Tegan's car, not Tegan.
Yes, that's Tegan's car.
And then as you guys can see, the EG's over there as well. So yeah, guys, please go check out his channel. You can follow up on the rest of his builds, etc. He has a VTEC, also very clean one. It's just at the moment not right here. But yeah, we haven't seen each other in a while. We've been talking now for hours, I would say. So yeah, I'm gonna catch up a little bit more with him, and then I'm gonna hit it out. Maybe just get a few cinematics of the cars at ease here as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Yo guys, so I have a customer here, Vaughn. He just pulled through with his Type R. He actually has a GP kit on as well. So what we'll be doing for him today is we'll be fitting one of the Type R lips, and then we're also going to do a seeker wing for him as well. As you guys can see, he has nothing at the back. He also doesn't have the GP kit at the back on yet. But yeah, that is what we're going to do for him today. Maybe in future you might just do the fog scoops.
Yeah,
or
who knows?
okay, cool. So yeah guys, I'm just going to cut this video here, use some YouTube magic and just do the quick installation. Hey guys, so just like that, we managed to fit the lip. I'm actually happy that I managed to fit a lip like this on a GP front bumper. I actually really wanted to know what it looks like, and now I know for sure that it actually came out very good. So if you guys do have a GP front bumper, I think this lip does complete the GP front. And then another thing that does complete this lip, or I would say an FN2 in general, is the seeker wing. Like I always mention, the seeker wing goes very well with the front lip, and they actually match each other because they have these fins, so it looks very cool. And then just to finish it off, you already know STM and WONG'SPEC stickers on just to complete it. So yeah, my friend Vaughn is possibly going to fit some fog scoops as well in future. Maybe I think it will complement the GP front bumper as well, making it look a little bit more aggressive. So that is maybe something you guys can look forward to in future. If you guys did enjoy this little section of the video, please do give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys are looking for any FN2 accessories or any accessories in general, please make contact with me and enjoy the rest of the video. Yo guys, so I have my friend GERSHWIN here. He's also the winner of the WRC bumper giveaway. I have his car over here. He just came in to actually add the WONG'SPEC decal on it. Please do not mind his rims. He actually has a new set of rims, which I'll reveal to you guys in a second. So we're just going to install the banner quickly, and then I'll show you maybe just a walk around on the car. Okay guys, so this is what the Polo looks like. The banner is fitted, and as you guys recall, he won this bumper from me. It included the spray job as well as fitment as well. And let me just give you guys a full walk around. As you guys can see, he's already repping STM and recently has the WONG'SPEC banner. You guys can also make contact with me if you are interested in that. I do sell them maybe in packs that include a sticker like this and a few small stickers as well. And then as you guys know, this is his interior, and I'll show you guys in a second what new rims he got. So this rims was only for him to drive all the way to go get the new wheels. This is what the rear looks like. And then I don't know if you guys recall, he was busy with a speaker setup. He ended up not going with that, and he just went with a clean look with the compressor a little bit lower than normal, so he has a lot of room space as well. I think it looks very clean. And then let me just show you guys. Apologize for this, they're just busy with construction inside. So this is the reveal of the new wheel. Maybe you guys can already determine what wheel it is based off the shadow behind or the shape behind, but let me just give you guys a look. So this is the wheel that he went with. I think this is a Scirocco wheel. It's also like a gunmetal. It looks a little bit different in the center. Is it? What's the difference? Is the center different, right? So the Scirocco I think is more smoother this way. So this could be a different rim, but the reason why I also went with this rim is because he wants to go for a more tuck look. He also mentioned that the previous wheel I think was pushing against the arch. I think you can actually see it over here. It's kind of bent a little bit over here. So yeah, this is an update on the Polo. Like I also mentioned to you guys, I can supply you with any of the parts that's on here. The diffuser, the rear wing, the side skirts. We need to get him a new set of side skirts as well. And then, as you guys already know, this car as well as the EG might just be at Slam by the Lake. However, Slam by the Lake has been postponed due to obviously the level of COVID, or the, how can I say, the president basically changed the level, and an event like that could not happen because there would be too much people. So in future they're going to maybe have another event, and then you might just see the Polo, the EG, and maybe a few other WONG'SPEC cars there as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the small section. Enjoy the rest of the video.